Hey, Inner Circle, and welcome back to Simply Alana, where we explore the best of travel, fun, and motivation. If you're visiting Atlanta with your kids, I've got you covered with the 5 must-visit spots that the entire family will love. So let's dive in. First up, we have Skyline Park at Point City Market. It's a rooftop paradise. It's carnival style. They have mini golf slides. They have a restaurant up there, drinks, and it's a lot of fun. On Fridays and Saturdays, the times are limited for anyone under the age of 21. So I would advise you to check the website and see what times and dates are available for family friendly time. But the carnival style is amazing. The parking is affordable and you can have a great time. The views are amazing as well. And some of the carnival rides, it can be a la carte. You could buy tickets or you can just do the wristband and just have a great time all over the rooftop. Next on our list is the iconic World of Coca-Cola. It isn't just about soda, it's an immersive journey, and you go into the history of Coca-Cola. They have hands on exhibits, Coca-Cola products all over the world, and it's also very educational. Highly recommended. Yes, very much so. Go ahead, try it. You got my stand up. You want to take one again? All right, sports fans, this one is for you. The Chick-fil-A College Football Hall of Fame is packed with interactive exhibits where kids can test their football skills and learn the game's history. High energy and super fun. Number three on our list is Stone Mountain National Park. From scenic hiking trails to thrilling cable car rides up the mountain, there's an adventure for everyone. Depending on the time of year that you plan to visit, as you can see, we visited around Halloween. So they had a Halloween theme where there were rides and different, they had a Halloween parade as well. But if you visit during the Christmas season, they also have Christmas lights and Christmas festive decor. And if you plan on visiting during the off season, which is still fine, it just won't be the decor, but you can still partake in the train ride that they have, the hiking trail, the cable car, and enjoy the laser show at night.
I think they might be in here. Hello? Piggy? Sweet! They're gone. I guess pigs really do fly.
And number five on our list, last but definitely not least, Beat the Bomb. This is a high tech team based experience which involves solving puzzles, dodging obstacles, and it's a one of a kind bonding experience. It will cause you to work up a sweat, so I would advise you wearing something comfortable to put under your suit and comfortable shoes. And make sure you bring your A game. The whole purpose of this time obstacle course is to try to beat the bomb. At the end, if you don't beat the bomb like we did it, you will be splashed with paint. And as you can see, this is a very active game from hopscotch on the floor to ducking under laser beams to make sure that you don't get hit. You will work up a sweat. So there you have it. 5 amazing things to do in Atlanta with kids, from thrilling games to outdoor adventures. Atlanta has something for every family. Which spot are you most excited about visiting first? And let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And see you next time, Inner Circle. Stay tuned for more family adventures.